Fresh Cosmetics. Yeah, I'm so happy my items, my products arrived. So today I'm here to take you through how my purchase went through Fresh Cosmetics. Most of you who don't know the backstory, we don't have Fresh Cosmetics in any of our stores here in the Netherlands. Also in Sephora, we had like a Sephora shop, but they don't have Fresh because I went there to check. And we have Douglas, we have Aciero, we have the warehouse bike of no one sells Fresh Cosmetics. But I'm so in love with that brand that I had to try everything online. They also don't ship to the Netherlands. I don't know why. They only ship in the US and the UK. So I tried all my best, but I called up one of their stores in London, the one on Marylebone Street. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but the sales associates there are really nice, because it's not the first time I'm ordering I'm ordering through the phone or ordering through the email. So my products always arrived at my home address. It doesn't matter. I don't live in the Netherlands, don't live in the US, I don't live in the UK, but when you're in love with something, you can try everything to get the product. So these are the products I got this year. So we have been in lockdown, and these products arrived 4 weeks ago, and I've been testing them out, and I'll also make a video on my top 10 fresh skincare products. I think the video will be linked over here or here, I don't know when, or at the end cards after you watch this video. I think it will be there. But for most of you who have been there, let me stop rambling and go take you through the products I got. So this is how it came, and it came with actually a very nice wrapping paper in blue, very lovely. And the products I got were let me start with the fresh vitamin nectar antioxidant glow water. Now, vitamin nectar, this is for the glow, like, or for setting spray or something. You can also use it under makeup, on top of makeup. It can be used as a primer. It contains vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B, and lemon extract and orange extract, minerals, and yeah, you can also use it as a setting spray. Yeah, this. Ladies, let me make it easy for myself. Put some products here. So when I bought a few products, so that was one of the products I got. I also picked up lip balm from the limited edition. This is the lychee sugar. This is the lychee hydrating lip balm, and I also got sugar advanced therapy. I think it's a tester, or I think I bought it. I don't know, one of the two. So this and this. So, and then I also got the sugar face polish. This is really great. I've been using this product for a very long time. I love exfoliating my face. You don't have to do it so often because it can bring up that rash you don't want. I think yesterday I exfoliated, so you have to do it like once a week or something like that. It says 3 times a week, but I do it once a week. So yeah, just do that. And the other thing I would like to show you is the Kombucha facial treatment essence. Yeah, this product is really lovely. I wanted to test it out before I bought it, so I asked the sales associate to send me some samples to see how it is. I also asked samples from other products, so I'm hoping, yeah, to show you those. The other thing I actually received was the Vitamin Nectar Vibrance Boosting Face Mask. I wanted to see how this works in order, with the combination of the setting spray. So it works very well accordingly. So I got a sample. I also got this card from the sales associate saying, I hope my stuff arrives in time and blah blah blah. Sorry that it took longer and that I have a few points. And the other thing I got from Fresh is the Rose Hydrating facial toner. This is really great for all skin types. I love this one. I think this is not the first time buying. This is like a repeated purchase, and I'm so in love with this. So the other thing I got also to try out is I wanted to try out the black tea treatment, so I got these 3 samples, the firming serum, and the overnight mask, and the instant perfecting mask. So these 3 samples are going to be tried out soon. And the this is also a sample. This is the rose deep hydrating oil infused serum. I don't know how that works. And other thing I feel that everyone should try out is the Soya face cleanser. Soya face cleanser is really well. It's a gel and it's really great. It cleans really perfectly. And the other thing I bought was the lip treatment, the sugar honey treatment. It contains SPF 15, hydrating and moisturizing. Although I don't know so much about this, it's really quite a very expensive product compared to the other products. I think I'm more in love with the hydrating lip balm. This is more something for me than the other one, than the one with SPF. I don't know why, but I love this more. And ladies and gentlemen, something else I got as a sample is also the Sugar Strawberry Exfoliator Face Wash. This is really something you should try out and see if it's something for you. And then I got this for the Petal Soft Lip Cream. Very, very lovely. I don't know, but it's something. And the other thing I got from Fresh is this bag, because when you buy stuff over a certain amount of money, you qualify for a bag, and then it comes with some items, and then you can, you know, enjoy your items. Now, I enjoyed my shopping experience at Fresh, and I didn't go there, I just ordered stuff online, but the stuff came on time. They were like a little bit maybe later, like 2 days, but it's expected, especially in this time of the year where like everything is on lockdown, where post office is overwhelmed and everything is not working. So I feel like they really, really, really did a good job. And I want to thank the sales associate that helped me pick up all the stuff and and send them to the post office. I'm really grateful. Thank you very much. And if you live in the Netherlands or other countries where they don't sell Fresh in the stores and where you cannot get Fresh on the website, please give them a call and their nearest boutique and see if they can ship anything for you, and I think everything will be alright. I hope you loved what I unboxed, and I'm going to sample these products and let you know how they react on my skin, and will give you more information on how I love this product. Thanks very much and see you soon. And if you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for your support. Watch more videos on this channel, and don't forget to watch the video on my top favorite what? Fresh products. Bye!